The end is coming. Sometimes the rich say that the poor are very lucky. Well, we thought we were lucky too, being rich. Because we, the wealthy, have consumed nearly all of the things that will bring us happiness and excitement in life. Now we are left alone with ourselves, we have nothing to do. I experienced both this and that, and I experienced the best of it. Did you accomplish this? Yes, I did that too several times. Now I don't feel like it at all. Did you go? Yes, there also this many times. I went, I don't want her anymore. What about this or that? No items left on agenda, nothing else. Then he thinks that he has never experienced these. An individual is experiencing excitement. Initially there is this excitement, there is that excitement. Entering through an amusement turnstile and experiencing the fun, trying to imitate those already in the entrance when you leave. They will experience this, they will experience that, they will deserve this. Therefore they have quickly consumed all of these, they have quickly passed through all of these because they have passed. Now that they have become commonplace in his eyes, I desire to proceed gradually because there is no anticipation for the future. If we had done it, if we had put time in between, if we hadn't suddenly turned our lives into tasteless, collapsed state. So it seems that wealth also has a side that quickly consumes people, a side that quickly burns out inwardly when looking at life. Imagine the poor man's excitement saving for 10 years to buy a car. Why did you save it with so much excitement, always being happy? A 10-year-old thing, a car is in front of you. We are saving, we are proceeding as planned every month, sir. We're doing it, putting it aside with my wife for now. This will happen later, but he keeps them alive all the time. Imagine someone who consumes and exhausts something they achieve in a day just to experience the pleasure of what they will accomplish in the future. Therefore, the world's purpose is within the presence of the Almighty. Placement, exhaustion is an inherent aspect of it, and we cannot entirely eliminate or eradicate it from the equation.